Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we bring you the most jaw-dropping and mind-blowing vehicles on the planet. Today we are talking about something that is going to completely change the way you think about luxury on wheels. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, also known as the $5 million supercar mansion on wheels, and trust me when I say this, nothing you have ever seen before comes even close to what we are about to show you today. So sit back, relax, and let us get into it. Now before we dive into the details, let us take a moment to appreciate what Ferrari has actually done here. We all know Ferrari is the king of supercars, the brand that makes your heart race just by hearing the name. But in 2026 Ferrari has taken that same DNA, that same fire, that same passion and poured it into a full-size luxury motorhome. And the result is absolutely breathtaking. Starting with the exterior, and this is where your jaw is going to hit the floor. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is finished in a deep premium black gloss that reflects light like a mirror. Every single panel on this machine is wrapped in that signature color, and running across the entire body from the front fascia all the way to the rear is a continuous strip of neon green LED lighting. This is not just decoration. This is a statement. The green lights trace every curve and every edge of this massive coach, and at night this vehicle looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. The front end is bold and aggressive with a wide aerodynamic nose, a panoramic windshield finished with green tinted glass, and Ferrari's iconic prancing horse emblem sitting right at the center in yellow and black. The side profile shows off the incredible length of this motorhome with large flush-fit panoramic windows running along both sides, a sleek low-profile roofline, and a massive panoramic glass dome on top that floods the interior with natural light. The rear of the vehicle is equally impressive with a full-width neon green LED tail light bar, dual chrome exhaust pipes, and another Ferrari badge centered perfectly on the back panel. The wheels deserve their own mention because they are extraordinary. 6 massive forged alloy wheels finished in matte black with neon green LED ring lighting glowing from inside each rim. This motorhome does not just roll down the road. It commands it. Now let us step inside and talk about the interior, because this is where the $5 million price tag starts to make complete sense. The moment you walk through the flush-fit entry door, you are greeted by a world of pure luxury. The living area is a wide-open space finished with black leather seating, a curved sectional sofa, and captain chairs that feel more like first-class airline seats than anything you would expect to find on a road vehicle. An 80-inch ultra-thin OLED television is mounted on a carbon fiber accent wall, and Ferrari memorabilia is displayed in a backlit glass case. Neon green LED ambient lighting runs through every room from floor strips to ceiling coves and gives the entire interior this futuristic glow that matches the exterior perfectly. Moving into the kitchen, and Ferrari has not cut any corners here either. This is a full galley kitchen with black gloss cabinetry, black quartz countertops, and built-in stainless steel appliances including a professional-grade espresso machine, a wine cooler, a microwave, and a compact refrigerator. The hardware pulls are Ferrari branded, and the under-cabinet lighting in neon green ties everything together beautifully. The master bedroom is a dream. A king-size bed sits at the center with a black leather headboard and an entire LED accent wall behind it glowing in green. The bedding is black and yellow Ferrari silk, the flooring is plush carpet, and electric blackout blinds cover the panoramic windows for complete privacy. The en-suite bathroom continues the same theme with black marble walls, a rain shower, a floating vanity, green-lit mirrors, and Ferrari-branded chrome fixtures throughout. Every detail in this motorhome has been thought through and executed at the highest possible level. Now let us talk about performance, because this is Ferrari and performance is never an afterthought. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing around 700 horsepower, which is absolutely insane for a vehicle of this size. It rides on an air suspension system that makes the drive smooth and comfortable no matter what road surface you are on. The handling is sharp and controlled for a coach of this length, and the advanced digital cockpit gives the driver full command of every system in the vehicle, from climate control to ambient lighting to navigation. Now for the question everyone is asking. How much does the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome cost? Well, this is not a vehicle for the everyday buyer. The starting price sits at approximately $5 million, making it one of the most expensive motorhomes ever created. Custom orders with additional features and personalization can push that number even higher. But for what you are getting, a Ferrari badged ultra-luxury home on wheels with supercar performance, cutting-edge technology and interior design that rivals a 5-star hotel suite, the price makes absolute sense. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a lifestyle. It is a rolling work of art. It is proof that Ferrari can dominate any segment they choose to enter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to MH Car Review and drop a comment below telling us what you think about this incredible machine. We will see you in the next one.